Hello, welcome to the JavaScript video tutorial series. In this video, we'll talk about how you can add JavaScript to your HTML page. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and there I'll show you how you can add those. As you can see that we are inside the VS Code and here you can see that I have a folder JavaScript code and inside this we have a index.html, right? So now here, if you want to add your script to this HTML page, there are different types of approach. So you can embed or you can write the code inside the HTML file, but there you have to use the script tag in this particular file. There are different positions where you can write your code of the script. So let me show that one. So if you want to write the basic skeleton of the HTML, then you can give the exclamation sign and press enter or tab. So you can use both of these. So now inside this heading tag, you can write your script code, embed your code. Okay, so let me show this one. So this way you can write the script. Okay, so you have to keep the opening script tag and then closing script tag, and inside this you can write your code over here, right? And normally what we are doing, we are giving an alert and we are writing hello world. So in this position you can write your script. So let me say save it and you can open it to see the result in the live server. So right click on it and you can open it in the live server. So if you don't know how to install the plugin or extension of the live server, so for that we have a different video. You can see that one. Okay, so as you can see that when the page will load, it will automatically show the hello world message. So in this position you can give your script tag. One other way, you can cut the code over here. After the heading tag you can also write your script tag, as well as if you want to give it inside the body, after the body you can also keep that one, and if you want to add it at the end of the body tag you can also give that one also. And for example, you have a line like paragraph, this one, so you can have multiple lines of code and at the end of the body tag, so when the body tag is actually ending, so before that you can add your script tag. So let me share this one. So if you open the output, you will get the same output over here. Okay, but remember that one point, it is always best practice to use the script tag at the end of your body. Okay, so this is the one way you can add the script tag or embed the script tag inside your HTML code. Okay, now also you can use the inline script as well. So let me show that one also. So for that, just remove this one and now I'll show you how you can embed your code. For example, if you have a body tag, so for example inside the body tag you have you have a paragraph tab, and in paragraph we have a. Okay, so this means the anchor tag. This is the on click event, and when someone will click on this link it will show a alert like welcome. Okay, so let me save it one and I'll show you the result. So here you can see that we have a anchor tag. So if we'll click over here it will show a alert message. So this is nothing but the inline JavaScript. Okay, so this way also you can write your inline JavaScript. Okay, now I'll show you one more way how you can add external script file. So if you want to write all your script related information in different file, that is also possible. So for that you have to use the external script. So for example, in you can see that we have a script tag and there you have to specify the source and then you can specify the file. Okay, like this way, and then you have to close your script tag. But for that what you have to do, you have to create another file inside this particular folder. So let me create a file. Just click over here and then you can give the name of your file my script.js. Okay, and as you can see this is the different file. So if you want to see that file, so you can reveal that particular file inside your drive like this way. And now what you can do, you can write anything related to the script inside this particular file. But remember that if this file will be in different folder, then you have to give the relative path or actual path of that particular file. Okay, so now let me show you how you can write a alert inside this particular myscript.js. So here we also will take the same example of alert. So you can write the alert hello world, and now you can see that that particular my script is attached in my file, and if you'll save it and if you'll run it, you'll be able to see the same message hello world is actually showing. It means our script is attached to this particular file, right? Now if you want that I will have a button, so whenever I'll click on that button, then only that particular alert will show. Okay, so for that reason let me show one example. For example, I have taken a button here, and in on click I'll call a function, my function, and this particular button will show you click me. Okay, so if you'll save it and if you'll go to the output, and if you refresh the page, you can see that click me button is there, but whenever I am clicking it is not working at all. So for that we have to write that particular function. So you can write this particular function inside your script file. So now I have to write the functionality of my function in my script file. So for that let me write the function. So we have to go to this particular file, and let me remove this particular file, and let me add a function. So this way you can use the keyword function, my function, and inside this function you can write your alert. Okay, now you have to save this to particular file, and now if you click on the button, then this function will be called and it will go to this particular function and it will alert. Okay, now let me show the result. Okay, let me refresh this page once again, and now if we'll click, you can see that hello world alert is actually showing. So this way you can use your JavaScript and HTML. So in this video I have shown how you can add JavaScript to the HTML page, and there are different types of approach. So first one, I have shown you that how you embed the script code inside your HTML page. Then I have shown how you can use the inline code, and third one I have shown that how you can use the external file. Okay, so this way you can use. So if you have any question, confusion, you can write it in the comment section. We'll try to solve your issue as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.